Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential because pairing uses local network discovery. Once done, open the YouTube app on your phone and sign in if you want personalized recommendations. Make sure the TV is on the correct input and has YouTube or a casting receiver ready. Now look for the cast icon in the YouTube app. Tapping it begins discovery and is the first actionable step toward linking phone and TV. After you tap the cast icon, the app searches for receivers on the same network, so be patient for a few seconds. When your TV appears in the device list, select it. You may see a short pairing code on the TV, enter or confirm it on your phone to complete pairing. Make sure to allow any network or local device permissions your phone requests, because denying them blocks casting. Once paired, playback controls move to your phone and video loads on the TV. You now control playback from your phone. Use it to play, pause, seek, and build a queue while the TV shows the content. If video won't load, first stop casting and try again. Unplugging a Chromecast or restarting your smart TV often clears transient errors. If problems persist, restart the phone and router so both devices rejoin the network, and ensure YouTube and system software are up to date. As a quick tip, disable mobile hotspot. It can prevent local.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.